Ang ganda. Thank you. Alam niyo, itong show na ito talaga, I feel so blessed to have this show kasi you're also used to talk shows talking about Himalayan and yung mga ganun, di ba? But this is one show that celebrates them. And thank you for trusting me with your story. Kasi nakakatuwa talaga.
Bago lang pala sila.
Yung mga even last reveal, yung mga plano nila, it also
Deng, Deng!
naman. My honor and privilege.
Pero parang niyayan niya yata.
Ano yung talaga para ma-block off natin and yung ano, meron yung wala lang sila
Bago pa yata na bago mag-pageant.
sa kanilang dalawa that I hope those the parents who are watching us right now will also be able to this na when you raise your children well, at talagang pinay ng tama, imposibleng hindi nila tututuan yun ng pag-ibig, pag-isag, mapagmahal, and siguro yung ano yun ang nag-inspire sa inyo to wait for the right partner to come. And also, for all those who are watching us, tama si Shanti true love really does exist. Siguro lang minsan, mali yung mga lugar kung saan natin hinahanap. So, dapat talaga yung sa kanya faith and prayer. Diba? Ito, you made a list, you prayed about it. It's in right after this episode, I mentioned that he expected. I was praying, nag-walk ka. Alam niyo, nakalitaan namin noon dito ng Friday, siguro na hindi nga bagay, dahil pinag-usapan natin ay mga iwalayan and all, at yung mga legalities na hindi ko gagawin. Ang business unit head po namin, I'm proud to say talaga from the very first talk show on ABS-CBN, siya na yung nakasama ko. Louie Andrada, I love you very much. Happy birthday. We are all so proud na ikaw ang boss namin because